Hey, welcome to Digivix YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about the Digivix Amoeba stock portfolio review. So before proceeding into the video, kindly support Digivix through UPI. You can donate. You can donate through UPI mode, and that UPI mode can be supported by various apps like Paytm, GPay, and PhonePe. I request you to support our channel. So before going into the video, uh, let me tell about what is about this amoeba stocks of Digivix. So Digivix as having an algorithmic stock picking strategy. So this strategy is based on various parameters like uh, uh, like more I mean only mode is to achieve more profit in equity investment style. So we will be comparing the returns with the Nifty or Sensex. So if there is a market fall of 2% in the Nifty, our stocks will fall less than 2%. That is the main motive. And then if there is a gain of 2% in the Nifty, then our stocks needs to gain more than 2%. So that is the only basic investment principle of this algorithm. So we have fine-tuned this algorithm. I mean, we in the sense, me and my one of my friend who completed her MBA in the reputed institute. We were doing this fine-tuning for past 8 years. So 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 currently, so we are going to so we follow this investment strategy. Currently, these stocks are linked to my in return on portfolio. So this is having 100% equity allocation. So we will go through one by one how much I got profit, how much I got loss. So those details in detail. So before so we you can connect with us using Linktree URL, and we have a blog, and then we have a YouTube channel, and then we do provide support through our support desk actually. So also we have an Telegram channel and Telegram bot. So these two these two channels are used to notify the people to invest in only in profitable IPOs. So people should invest in only in IPOs which is giving more profit to them. See, if you see the Mr. Spector's food IPO subscription 120 times. So we have the listing and status based on the whether it is profitable or not. So based on this subscription status, you can able to apply. You can able to apply whether this IPO will give you profit or not. So this Telegram bot is equipped with live status actually. You can try and you can make your profit. And then we have a bot, a Telegram bot, which will let you know the IPO allotment status before getting published in the registrar itself. So we have this Telegram bot developed, so it will have a live update status. So we will be providing status. These things are done using extensive research. So we will come to the Amoeba portfolio. So currently this is having 16 stocks in this portfolio. I mean, the algorithm picked 16 stocks in the 2019 end. So currently there are 16 stocks, and this year we don't have any stocks out from the list, and there is no stocks added in the list. So currently 16 stocks is there, and 15 stocks is in profit, and one stock is in loss. So currently this portfolio consists of 8 years of investments, and max profit of 43% CAGR in a stock. And we have one stock which is in the loss for 9.3% CAGR, and the value has been eroded, and we got a 12k dividend in the year of 2020, and dividend is not much actually, since we have been focused on only growth mode. So our aim is to generate profit, I mean more gain than the dividend. So I know Indians companies don't provide much dividend, so so we don't look into dividend, and from next year dividend is going to be a taxable income in the slab rate, so we don't focus on the dividend now. And then these stocks are picked by systematic algorithm using various parameters, and it got fine tuned currently. If you want have a list, you can reach to our support list, so that we will be providing the stock list, since we can't able to share it in a public forum or YouTube channel like this. So and we previously I told you this algorithm, how it picks the stocks. So the stocks it needs to be gain, I mean needs to have gain more than the Nifty and the loss less than the Nifty. That is the only base algorithm. Also we have certain checks, like the company should provide, I mean should be providing the dividend in past 1 year, and then their quality should be more, and these stocks should be in the segment of mid caps, large caps and giant caps. So these are the some of the base requirement to be in the list actually. So also we have S Bank in the portfolio, I mean previously, and currently it is not in the portfolio, since this this algorithm picked the stock while in the bull run, and it exited the stock during the bear run actually. So actually we were saved from S Bank literally using this portfolio. So so that's why we follow this strategy. Me and my friend are doing so much, I mean spend so much time in this fine tuning actually. So we'll go through the screenshots. Today we have been, through the Nifty fluctuations after the COVID. So before COVID we don't have much screenshots to share with you for the 2020. So I will begin with March 2020. So in 29th March, portfolio screenshot is this one. So at the time we have overall portfolio return of 1.4 percentage, and then so this is the portfolio after a flash crash in the month of March 2020, after the lockdown. It's near the lockdown has been announced. We do have continuous crashes in the market. So in the 29 March of 2020 we have 7.4 percentage of profit, CAGR. And then the 4th April 2020 again we had a huge crash in the market, around 3 percentage. So our portfolio fell up to 2.7 percentage, and the returns stood at 5.5 percentage CAGR. And then fast forward, we didn't do any investments after the 4th April 2020 because we had run out of cash. Our portfolio almost recovered from that 5.5 percentage to 18.6 percentage. So again, this is one of the screenshots. And then we have the 1st August 2020 portfolio. Again, our investments stood about 18.8 percentage per annum in the overall total return in the year of 8 years. These screenshots are taken on whenever the market falls hugely. So you no need to worry about whether the Nifty is is in positive or not. So I can able to tell you these screenshots taken on when the Nifty fall is huge or almost 1 to 2% actually. So again, we fast forward to 24th September. There was a very big fall in the Sensex and Nifty. So we didn't make any new investments from 4th of April 2020. So see, if you see, the Nifty fall is around 2.93%. Our stocks fell about 1.3 percentage. So this is our confidence to pick this investment sale. Again, if you fast forward to the 6th October, see, there was a huge gain in the rally. I mean, after there is a rally in the market, so Sensex is up by 600 points and Nifty is by 159 points. And then our portfolio is up by 3% actually, so which is one of the huge gain. And then on 21st December, we have a portfolio around there was a huge crash in the about 3.14% failure. Fall in the market of Nifty 50. Around 400 points has been eroded, but see, my portfolio has been fall in 1.9% only. So this is the huge gap between the actual fall and the baseline fall. So again, if you see 22 December 2020, again we had market is up by 1.03% in the Sensex of around 137 points. If you see, my portfolio is up by 1.4% around. This is also which gives our confidence that we have algorithm works in a better way. And then in 31st December, that's today, we have market closed with around 0%. So we don't have much gain in my portfolio also, because it's like a fluctuation only. So we are good with the 31st December 2020 portfolio, and almost we have 24% of return or in the 8-year span. So our stocks were gaining 24%. I mean, in the sense I'm saying, even though it's in CAGR, if you consider the overall portfolio value, it's almost 24%. And then the 2020 yearly annualized return is almost 25% actually. So that is the huge mark in the people are suffering from so much losses in the 2020, but we were able to achieve the gain of 25% in the CGR, and our worth has been, it's almost 1/4 of the portfolio. We are up actually. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can be able to get this list from by reaching our support desk. We will able to provide you. Thanks for watching this video, and once again, Happy New Year 2021.